Okay, so why would you want leads? Well, so that you can make more money and your business can be more successful, of course. And in order for those things to happen, you need to make sales. And in order to make sales, you need leads. And I knew that, and I'm sure you know that. But what I didn't know was how to actually generate leads. Like, how do you get leads? And I tried a lot of different things in order to get leads. I tried running Facebook ads, I tried blogging, I tried posting on every social media platform out there. And here's the thing though, most of those strategies either didn't work or they worked, but they were really expensive. But fast forward to today, I found a strategy that works really, really well for generating hot leads. It costs basically nothing, and I'm using it to generate well over 100 leads every single day, super consistently. So that's what I'm gonna be sharing with you in today's video, how you can use the same strategy that I'm using to start generating leads for your business. Okay, so first thing first, I make YouTube videos. Yes, okay, obvious. I know that you guys know that, obviously, right? You're watching one right now. But this is the first step. This is the thing that I started doing that made a world of a difference with my email list. I went from struggling for every single subscriber that I attracted to attracting hundreds of subscribers every single day. So don't worry, I am gonna go a lot further with you than this about how I use YouTube to generate leads, but it does all start here. I didn't start my channel for so long because it seemed like my channel probably wouldn't grow, because it just seemed like there was so much competition on YouTube. I thought I was too late. Let me know if you wanna see a video about why it's not too late to start a YouTube channel even today, but I worried about that. Finally did start my channel. Now I make videos every single week. Honestly, one of the very, very, very best decisions I've ever made. Definitely the best business decision I've ever made. So yeah, that's step one, make YouTube videos every single week. I don't just make any YouTube videos though. I make videos that would be appealing to someone who might want to buy the thing that I ultimately want to sell. So I intentionally make videos that are helpful in a similar sort of way. If someone wants the result that my product will create or wants to solve the problem that my product will solve, then they'll be interested in the videos that I make. So I'm not just making random daily vlogs. I am intentionally using content marketing to grow my business and attract leads. And every time I do make a video, I don't just hope that people are going to be so enamored with me that they go and look me up and find out what I have to offer and how I can help them even more. No, I make sure they can't miss it. I do that by giving them a free, easy, no strings attached way for them to take the next step and get a little bit closer with me. So for example, I might offer some kind of free resource or invite them to a free workshop that I'm hosting, or ask them to participate in an upcoming challenge. For example, if you want to make more money in your business, which I presume you do since you're watching this video, then I'd love to have you join us for the next profit planning challenge that I host. I will walk you step by step through the process of creating a profit plan for your business that will guide you to make more money while spending less time. So if that sounds interesting to you, then check down below for a link to sign up for that free challenge so that you can create your own profit plan for your business. That's how it's done. And you know what is so good about this strategy? Unlike if you were running expensive paid ads to try to attract leads, I'm promoting this free offer to people who already know me and trust me because I've been giving them good quality, helpful information week after week. And because of this, I get the opportunity to help them whether they choose to buy or not, which actually strengthens my relationship with people who are following me. Instead of just trying to sell to someone who's opted into something that I've paid to put in front of them. So it's really a win-win strategy. Okay, so you might be wondering what exactly I offer to people to draw them in and to get them to sign up for my email list and maybe eventually buy something. Well, there are 3 different things that I love using for this purpose. Of course, there's tons of other options, but these are my 3 favorites. So the first one is using a webinar. So I normally use this software right here called Easy Webinar, but you can also totally use Zoom. Either one works really well. Zoom here is a little bit more affordable. You can just go to zoom.us or easywebinar.com. Not sponsored by either of those companies, just 2 services that I use and work really well for hosting free live workshops or webinars. It's a great way to strengthen that relationship that you have with your audience, educate them, and guide them towards making a purchase. Okay, so another one of my favorite ways is to host a challenge. So this here is ConvertKit. It's my email marketing software that I use and love. It houses all my email subscribers and it allows me to send my email subscribers through email sequences. So inside ConvertKit, they've got these automations, and what an automation is it's just a series of steps that you can send a subscriber through. And we've got a whole bunch of these set up, but let me just pull up one that has a few different ways that people are coming into it. So when people sign up for my email list, they might get one of these tags depending on how they signed up, and then we can send them through a series of emails. This one has about 6 or 7 emails in it, and we can guide them to create a specific result. So we do a lot of challenges like the profit planning challenge, where we guide people to create a profit plan for their business. And how that works is we send them a series of emails, and each email gives them the link to a training video. ConvertKit makes this super easy. Okay, and the last way that I really like to draw people in, get them to sign up for my email list, is probably the most basic, easy way, and it's just by giving them some sort of free checklist or free guide. I like checklists the very best. Here's the tool that I like to use for it. It's actually Google Drive, and inside of Google Drive, there are Google Slides. Now, Google Slides is typically used for giving a slideshow presentation, like PowerPoint basically, but what you can do in here is you can change the page setup so that it is the dimensions of a normal standard piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and then it looks like this, and it just looks like a piece of paper. And you can add anything and everything that you want on here, and you can actually make a checklist or even a short ebook or whatever you want, any sort of PDF that you want. As you can see, it's super easy. I just made this PDF right here in the matter of just a few minutes, and you can do the same thing using your own pictures and graphics and any information that would be helpful to your followers, to your prospective customers. Just make sure that if you create a PDF, it's helping them get some specific, tangible result, even if it's something small. Quick wins should not be overestimated. If you can actually give someone a result, that is so much more valuable than just giving them information. So use this hack, use Google Slides to create PDFs in a matter of just a few minutes, and that will definitely work to attract some high quality leads. Next, all you need to do is use an email marketing service like ConvertKit here to create an opt-in form that someone can enter their name and email address into to get that free resource that you created. Let me show you how to do that. All right, so here we are in ConvertKit, and you're just gonna click on landing pages and forms. Then you'll click on new form. Then you can choose either to use a form that's on your own website or to use a landing page. Let me show you the landing page option because it's really cool. I'm going to sort by ebook because I'm imagining that you're promoting your PDF. And then let's choose this one right here. So this is actually a web page that you can use whether you have a website or not. You can just change the copy to say whatever you want. So if you wanted to say free checklist, and then you can tell what the checklist is about. It already has the form right here. If you want to add a field so that they have to type in their name, then you can do that, and you can set it to be their name, first name right there. And then you can click right here to add an image. It could be a picture of yourself, or it could be a picture of the actual resource itself. Anything you want. So I'm just gonna add this picture in, and see, now there's a picture of me so they know who it's coming from. And then all you would need to do is give it a name, and we'll just name this example landing page. And then you can save it, and then you can share it. So you just click the share button here, click to copy the URL, and then if anyone goes to that URL, then they will see this place that they can join your email list. You get their email address, they get the free thing they signed up for, and it's as easy as that. Okay, now the last step is easiest of all. All I have to do is add the link to this landing page into my YouTube video when I upload it, so that when I tell people about the free offer, the free thing that will help them out, they can actually go here and download it. So that video is finishing uploading right here, right now, and as soon as it is uploaded and people watch the video, and of course the video can't just be advertisement that's just selling to them. It has to be a really high quality video that's giving helpful information and is somewhat entertaining. But if it is all of those things, then people will want more. And that's when they'll go click that link, get on your email list, they'll get helped more. You will get to build that relationship with them stronger. And like I said, it'll be a win-win situation for everyone involved. And that's all there is to it. Now, yes, it does take time before you start getting the views on YouTube, and it definitely takes some work to make these videos, but guys, it's worth it. If you are trying to build your business, if you're trying to generate sales and you need leads, YouTube is such an amazing way to get leads. The leads you get are so good. I used to run a blog and post just on other forms of social media, and I would get people who left comments here and there, occasionally opted in, but they weren't really engaged. Not like the viewers here on YouTube who can see your face and hear your voice and are really interacting with you. So these leads are top notch, and also, like I said, it's free. Now, yes, it takes that time, it takes that effort, and time isn't free. We have a limited amount of time, but this scales. You're not having to work for each individual lead. You make these videos and they're evergreen. That means that they live on YouTube for years to come, and people will continue to come to your videos and watch them time and time and time again, which means that your list will grow faster and faster as you build up a library of videos. So you're really building a lead generating machine for your business. And that, I think, is a great investment of your time. Okay, well, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for joining me for another one. This channel is all about strategies for working smarter, not just harder, so that you can make more money in less time, have a bigger impact, and live the lifestyle that you really want. If that's something that you want more of, if you want more strategies for doing that, then hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss the next episode. Show up here every single week with me to learn those strategies. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already. And don't forget the profit planning challenge I mentioned earlier on. Yes, it was just an example for the video, but the profit planning challenge really is happening in just a couple weeks here, and I would love to have you join us for it. I know that creating a profit plan for your business could have a really big impact on it. So consider actually signing up. There is a link down below. Thanks again. I know I always say thank you like 10 times in a row at the end of my videos, but I can't say thank you enough. It means so much to me to have you guys here, both supporting my channel, but I'm also just so impressed with you guys for showing up week after week and really being committed to working on your business and working on your life. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay guys, that's all for this time, but I'll see you again really soon.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind